In this tutorial, I am gonna tell you about the FS module in Node.js. So to create a file, delete a file, or to update a file, or to rename a file, we use FS module. So let's see how we do that. So let me create a file fsmodule.js. Now, so firstly, let us see how to create a file using FS module. Now, so basically there are three ways to do that. We can use fs dot open method. We can use fs dot append file method. We can use fs dot write file method. So let's see each part individually. So variable fs equal to require fs. Now let us write fs dot open. Now let us open a file. Let name it like file1.txt. Now to use this method, we have to use something called flag. If there is a symbol name r, then it means read file. It means to read a file. If there is a symbol read file. If there is a symbol w, it means to write a file. So here we have to open a file. Basically we have to use w here. Let me use w. Now let me use a callback function error. Now console.log file created. So you are thinking that we are opening a file here, but the file doesn't exist. So this is the power of this function. If the file even don't exist, then if we use this function, then it will create our file automatically. Now let me tell one more thing. If there is some error in this in the way we have written this, then we can even see that in this callback function. If there is an error, then throw error. So let me run this file in my terminal. Okay, so node fs module.js file created. Great, you can see this. We have created a file. Now let me delete it. We are gonna see other function to do the same. Move to recycle bin. Great. Okay, let me comment it now. Okay, now we are gonna use this function fs.append file. Okay, let me write fs.append file. Now let me take a random name, file1.txt, and here I am taking hello world. Now again I am going to use arrow function. If error, throw error. Console.log file created. Great, let me save it, and then okay, firstly let me explain you. So this means that there is going to be some file1.txt. If So we have to append, we have to add a new thing called hello world in it. Now you can see that we don't have any sort of file like that, but if we run that function, then the power of this function, if there is no file, eh, then it is going to create that file automatically now, and add this text as well, hello world. Now let me run it. No, Node FS Module.js. Great. This file is created. Hello world. Now great. Now let me delete this again. Move to recycle bin. Great. Now let me uncomment it. Now I am gonna show you how to use this fs.write file. Write file. Let me name it file1.txt hello world, and if error throw error console.log file created. Great. Node FS Module.js. Great. File created with the text hello world. Now there is a bit of difference between this write file and this append file function, which I am gonna show you now. What is that? Okay, so now beside create file, we can also use update a file using node using using this fs module now. So we have this pre-built thing now. Now to update a file, we use two methods of fs module. One is fs.append file. Now other is fs.write file. Now in this now I'm going to show you the main difference between append file and write file. Now so if I use fs.write file, now I am gonna take the same file, file1.txt, this file. You can see that there is a text hello world here now. So fs file1.txt, let I have to write beside hello world this world is a good place to live. No, okay, other thing will remain same. If error throw error and console.log file updated. Great. Node FS Module.js. Now let me show this file. So if we write a file, if we use this statement, then it will going to change the whole file. Now previously there was hello world. Now if I use this world is a good place to live, then this statement is going to replace the previous statement which was in this file. Now basically previously there was hello world, and this world is a good place to live replaces that hello world. Now so let me go here and let me comment it. Now I am gonna show you how fs.append file what it do. Now I am gonna take the same thing, fs file1.txt. Let this place is a good place to this world is a good place to live. Okay, let me add if every human is good. Other thing will remain same. Now if error, throw error, console dot log file updated fs module.js. This world is a good place to live was already there, and we have added the more text if every human is good. This is what append file method do. It is going to append the new statement here. Now I think you have understood the difference between write file and append file. Now let me show you how to delete a file. Delete a file using append fs module. Now, so to do that, we just simply have to, okay, before deleting a file, let me show you about how to rename this file. Now, rename file. Okay, great. So now, so let me rename this file 1.txt to hello world. Now, hello world. Oh, okay. Fs dot rename file 1.txt hello world dot txt. The other thing will remain same again, error. Okay, if error, throw error, console.log log rename file. Okay, great. Why it is this? Expected this? What I have done here? What I have done? Okay, great. Let me run it again. Now you can see that the file is renamed. This file is deleted. This world is a good place to live if every human is good. Great. Now let me show you how to delete this file. Now delete file. For that we use fs.unlink. Now so let me use this fs.unlink. Hello world dot txt error console. If error, throw error, console dot log file renamed. Great. Okay, so oh sorry, file deleted. File deleted. Great. This file is deleted. So now I am gonna stop this tutorial. Let meet in the other tutorial. Bye.